So you can see the steel running. Steel is running, not a problem. Had some issues though while I've been adjusting it, switching on, tightening some nuts, bolts, everything, just checking for leakages. Had problem with my wash pump. It's a really old pump. It's probably 10-year-old one, and it's not really good anymore, but I do still use it for testings. Now we've got our steel, it's running. I still adjusting it. It's not adjusted yet completely. I mean, overagely by itself as a steel is already adjusted. I mean, I'm checking what it's capable of. I'm checking how fast the actual production could be, what's the speed of supply stream, you know. So currently I don't see any issues with the steel. It's just running for a few minutes. As I said, I started and I had some issues with the pump. I had to prime it a couple of times all over again. So I've got some spillage under the steel, but nothing is leaking. Everything's fine. So here's the steel, here's a production speed. I think I still can increase the supply flow of the wash. Here's the wash in a barrel and normal garage mess around. I'll get the tripod closer. It's about 50%, but I would say overly 40 right now. Everything's made out of sugar wash that I showed in my previous videos. This sugar wash was prepared specifically for this steel, for testing.